Hello, this video will show you how to get to Everfi.net. This is Mr. Dotson. Okay, we gotta get over here. So this is the page you want to get to, Everfi. You can type in Everfi.net. And then if you already have an account, you can go here and put in your email address you use and your password. If you forgot your password, you have to go here, but you gotta know your email address. If you do not have an account, you go to register here and you will need the code that was sent out per grade level. So the code for 6th grade is 7AD11A7E. Again, this will be on the school website. The 7th grade code is DD070880. 8th grade code is EC485291. Now, from here, this is going to sign me in. Yours is going to look different from mine because you're a student and I'm a teacher. However, once you get logged in, you put that code in, it'll take you right to the classes. And here are all my classes in here. So don't be alarmed because you'll be able to pick. Like for 8th grade or 6th grade, these are all the classes that I put in for 6th grade. 7th grade, same thing. 8th grade, those are other classes. So you get to pick the ones you want to do to start. So that concludes this lesson on how to get into Everfi. Stay safe.